Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make a sketch in Photoshop. First, open your chosen image. Then, duplicate the background layer 2 times. This ensures your original image remains untouched. Next, select the top layer and desaturate it completely. This step removes all color, preparing your image for the sketch effect. We are aiming for a classic, hand-drawn look. Now, with the desaturated layer selected, invert its colors. This will make your image appear like a negative. After inverting, change the blending mode of this layer to color dodge. Your image might seem completely white at this point, which is normal. We are building the foundation for our sketch. Adjust the layer opacity to about 75% for a softer transition. Next, apply a Gaussian blur filter to the color dodge layer. This is where the magic happens, as the sketch lines will begin to appear. Start with a blur radius of around 5 to 10 pixels and observe the effect. You'll see the outlines of your image transform into a pencil-like drawing. Fine-tune the radius until you achieve your desired sketch intensity. To enhance the sketch, add a new layer and set its blending mode to multiply. Use a soft, dark brush to gently add shadows and deepen the lines, giving your sketch more dimension. Finally, adjust the overall contrast and brightness of your image. This will help your sketch pop and look more refined. You've successfully transformed your photo into a beautiful sketch.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.